Hello everyone. I welcome you again on my channel EDUCATJET. Today I have come up with a new video on alphabet animals using phonetics. अब हमने बच्चों को phonetic sounds तो करा दिए हैं, बट इतनी जल्दी हम उनका पीछा नहीं छोड़ेंगे. हम चाहते हैं वो इनको बिल्कुल लर्न हो जाए. तो उसको लर्न कराने के लिए मैंने एक नई वीडियो बनाई है जिसमें बच्चे phonetic sounds भी अपने रिवाइज कर लेंगे, साथ के साथ उन्हें न्यू एनिमल्स का इंट्रोडक्शन भी हो जाएगा. So let's start with it. A says eh, ant. B says b, bird. C says k, cat. D says d, dolphin. E says elephant. F says flamingo. G says g, goldfish. H says h, horse. I says e, insects. J says j, jellyfish. K says k, kangaroo. L says l, lion. M says m, monkey. N says n, nightingale. O says ostrich. P says penguin. Q says qua. Remember everyone, qua? As I told you in my earlier video also, the sound for Q is qua, and whenever you write any word starting with the letter Q, you will always see कि Q के आगे it is always further accompanied by U. U हमेशा आता है. तो same you can see in this slide also. Q says qua, queen bee. Queen bee. R says rabbit. S says seahorse. T says tiger. U says umbrella, bird. V says wall. W says wall. X says X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y says yak. Z says zebra. So that's all, my dear friends, for the alphabet animals using phonetic sound. Thank you all for watching my video. So if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe for my channel EDUCATJET. मैं नई videos के साथ आती रहूंगी. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.